Hey guys, the hacker is me here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a menu for a game. So like the starting menu for a game in Flash. So let me just sort my why is that being stupid? Script. Right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to create your canvas. Just make this whatever you want, just color, whatever, yeah. So just create your canvas. So then what you want to do is you want to actually create your buttons. So you can do this numerous ways. So the first way is you can create a box. Yeah, you can create a box and you can have the button in there, which is okay, I guess, but it's not very appealing. Like if this was a menu, it wouldn't really look very good. It wouldn't look professional per se, unless you was to have this like move and stuff, but that's more advanced. So the easy way of doing it, or the more clean way of doing it, is to click on the text button here and then type in your text for the button. So let's say start. Actually, I'm going to change my font. So yeah, choose a font that you like or whatever. Change the size to whatever suits best. Right, okay. So what you want to do is you want to make sure the box is like that over the button, and then you want to move the button to whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. So then what you want to do is you want to press F8 on your keyboard, and this will come up. And what you want to do is you want to make it into a button. You can name this whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. So you just click OK. Now when you click, when you click on it, you'll see in this corner here it asks for an instant name. This is going to be used for the code, the action script code, so name this whatever you want. So I'm going to put this as start game underscore btn. That just means start game button. You can name that whatever you want now. So yeah, what you want to do now is just create a new layer, call this whatever. I'm just going to keep it layer 2. And this is where you right click and you put actions. This is where all the actions for this frame will go. So if you're going to have the game on a different scene and you want it to like loop through a certain number of frames, for example, for a moving game, what you want to do is you want to put stop, so that the Flash doesn't go through every single frame. So if we had a frame here, it wouldn't automatically go to this frame, it'd just stay on frame 1. And yeah, there we go. So it just stops on that frame. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to add an event listener for your button. So start game or whatever you've called it, and then you want to put dot and then add event listener. Now in here you want to put mouse event dot and down. Oh no, mouse dot down. Nope. Right, so it's mouse event dot mouse underscore down. That means when the mouse clicks it, and then you want to type in the function that you want it to execute when it does so. Call it start game, and that's going to be a function. So when the and that was weird. So when the button is clicked, it's going to go to the function called start game, and so to create a function, it's function, then the name, start game, and then you want to put event, and that a colon. Then you want to put mouse event. Nope, not motion. I always click that. Mouse event. Then you want to put another colon, and you put void. Actually, this might be comma. No, it's a colon. So yeah, and then you want to open up your squiggly brackets, and then you write your code in here like you would. So if you want it to go to a frame, then you do go to and stop, and then whatever frame you want it to go to. Let's say 5 because we put something on 5. So yeah, that's how you make it go to a certain frame. If you wanted it to test it, just put trace and then start button clicked. I spelled button incorrectly, but I don't care. So if you save this and export, you would get this and click this, and as you can see down here it says start button clicked. Every time you click it, it executes this command here. So yeah, to do this with multiple buttons, you just add another one and give it a different instant name. Then you add the event listener and then tell it to do a different function, or you can tell it to do the same function. It don't really matter. So yeah, I hope this tutorial's been helpful, and yeah, bye.